Today, we're gonna be checking out the powered, adjustable, heated manual, extendable towing mirrors with smoked LED turn signals and a black finish for the 2019 and newer Sierra 1500. These mirrors are a great option for Sierra owners who want improved visibility, especially if they're towing, while adding a tough, functional upgrade to their truck's exterior. The standout features of these towing mirrors are going to be the combination of power adjustability, that manual extension to help you get a better field of view when you're towing, and built-in heating elements. The powered mirror glass allows you to fine-tune that rear angle view from inside the cab, making it easy to adjust on the fly without needing to reach outside or have your passenger help you out. The heated mirror function is especially useful in those colder climates. It quickly clears off frost, ice, or fog from the mirror surface, ensuring you maintain full visibility during winter driving conditions. That added safety feature is integrated into the OEM style wiring and activates with the vehicle's defrost system. These wires are manually extendable, allowing you to pull them outward when you're towing larger trailers or loads for a better field of view and a better feel for what's happening behind you. Once they're extended, the larger mirror surface and the wide angle view greatly reduce blind spots, giving you a safer towing experience. When not in use, the side mirrors can slide right back into a compact position for everyday driving. The dual mirror layout includes a large main mirror for standard rearward vision and a smaller convex mirror to help eliminate blind spots and improve lane awareness. This design offers maximum visibility for both highway driving and trailer maneuvering. The mirrors also feature a rugged black textured finish that blends well with your trim while offering an aggressive, functional look. They're designed to directly replace your factory mirrors, and they're fully compatible with models that come with those power adjustable and heated mirrors from the factory. These towing mirrors are built with tough ABS plastic and shatter-resistant mirror glass. The telescoping arms are reinforced for long-term durability, and the sealed electronics are weather-resistant to prevent damage from rain, snow, mud, or any other elements. The texture black finish is going to resist fading and scratching, keeping the mirrors looking sharp even in harsh conditions for years to come. As far as the pricing goes on this, they're coming in right around that $600 price range for a pair of power-adjusted heated mirrors that manually extend for towing capabilities with dual mirror surfaces and factory-style fitment. They offer excellent value for truck owners who tow regularly and want to enhance safety and convenience. Installation's a pretty straightforward mirror swap, but it's going to get rated a soft 2 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. Expect to take about 1 hour to complete the job. The mirrors bolt directly into the factory mounting points, and the wiring plugs into the OEM connectors. Now let's see exactly how that install works with an install video from one of our AmericanTrucks customers.
Today's install, I used a 7mm socket, 13mm socket, a pick tool. I have a screwdriver with replaceable heads and an impact drill. So first step, you want to get your pick tool. There's going to be an insert behind this. You're going to want to take that out. Behind that is going to be 2 7mm screws. You want to use your socket and get those out. After that, you got 2 7mm screws at the bottom of the door. Once you get those out, you can go ahead and proceed to get the door panel off. Make sure that you're being very careful when you pull the door panel. You want to break any of the clips. I like to start down here from the edge. Get a good pull on it. Like that. All right, once you get this off, you're gonna have a connector piece in the back. You want to make sure you get these off so you can get the door panel out the way. Do that. Door panel is now removed. All right, next step is gonna be, you're gonna be able to access your mirror through this hole. So you wanna be able to take this off. It's gonna give you access to your original mirror. You get your you get your pick. Get behind it. Pull it off, simple, nice and easy. The bolts behind here are gonna be 13 millimeter. So you wanna get your 13 millimeter. Attach it to your drill. Once you get your screws out, there's going to be a connector right here. I'm going to pull that out, press down, that pops off. And tow mirror or factory mirror pops out. Now that you got everything off, you got your factory mirror off, you're going to do the same thing with your tow mirror. Come around. Snug. Once you get that in, you're going to want to put all 4 of your bolts back on. Once you get all 4 of those bolts on, plug that right back in, clip it, and you're all done with your install. You basically want to repeat every step that you did before in reverse. You want to make sure you line all your clips up. And you want to just put your screws back in that you started with, 7 millimeters. That's it. Repeat those steps for the next side. Thanks for watching.
All right, that wraps up our review and install of the powered, adjustable, heated, manual extending towing mirrors with smoked LED turn signals and a black finish for the 2019 and newer Sierra 1500. And for all things Sierra, keep it right here at American Trucks.